Hi again. I messed up the audio again. Still not entirely sure what's messing it up. So sorry again. Hello. Um, Today is day 2 of learning how to code, and I already failed the challenge because it's actually technically day 3, but I didn't do anything the next day. But it doesn't matter. Back doing more today. Yeah, hopefully we learn some code. Alrighty. So not there was not very much to change, or there's not very much in that video. All it wants me to do is change this 001 to vector. Does need to be capitalized. I will see in a second. Vector for and that was it. As long as the vector doesn't need to be capitalized. I'm gonna capitalize it because I'm pretty sure it did. Then we're going to Control S, and then we're just going to see if it works before we look if it was correct. Make sure it went in here. It did. Something's loading. Okay. So I assume that the code is incorrect. I'm so good at this. Vector 3. There has to be a dot. 3 dot. I forgot about the 3 and the dot. Forward. Control S. There it is. Okay. So yeah, I just did it wrong. And let's see. It should work this time. Yep, there it goes. One more time for good measure. Alrighty. Well, yes, now is, yeah. Alrighty. Okay, so yet again, just another small change. We are going to update how this works, because at the moment the car, this is not a car, but the tank just flies right down the little runway, and we need it to go slower. So we are going to do that. L All right, hold on. We need to put times time dot delta time, and then I think that's it. That'll work. Let's see. Nope, something's wrong. We're gonna go ahead and add the other part. No, we're not. We don't need to. We need to figure out why it's not working. Times time dot delta time. It's because I put a space. I need like a little thing like the guy in the videos has to show me just the little errors that I make. Wrong. Dot delta time. What is wrong? The time in delta time has to be capitalized. How was I supposed to realize that? Not entirely sure if I'm learning at this point. Let's see. It's moving. It's moving. Ah, no, it's gonna collide. All right, so now we got it moving at like 1 meter per second, and we needed going to do time 15. 15 seems good to me. So it'll move 15 per second. Unity is. All right, load, just so you can load again. All right, yep, that seems good to me. That works. Go back here. Whoop. All right. Next video. It is now time to add physics. At the moment, this tank just goes right through. It goes right through that obstacle. But now it's time to give the tank the cool tank physics. Now we can go ahead and close this and this because we do not need those at the moment. And then we will go to add component and we will add a rigid body. And then we will go to, or we are going to want gravity. It already has that on. Awesome. We are going to want to give our obstacle a rigid body too. All right, let's see now. What happens? Does it have physics? Boom, easy. Let's watch that again. Amazing. All right, now we are going to get off of that. We're going to give our tank a crap ton more mass. Give it 1,000 mass. We're going to press play again. See if it makes it any easier. Yep. I have no idea if there was anything different. I'm going to edit the code really quick to make the tank just a tad faster because, well, I want it to be faster. Then I am also going to give the obstacle 20 mass. Now let's see. Off that. Oh, okay, I don't think that's supposed to happen. All right, so all right. So I don't think that's supposed to happen. I mean, actually I can say I know it's not supposed to happen since I guess I am the one making this. Let's try 10 mass. All right, maybe it's the speed. Set this back to 20 mass. And then let's go back to the code. Put it back to 15 speed. And let it load. All right, we'll try again. Now it's going back over. Okay. So I don't really know why it was going under. We're gonna say that's good. Good for now. I'm gonna try 15 mass. We're gonna see if that makes a difference. All right, yeah, that's good. We're gonna keep it at 15 mass. All right. Now, I think the next thing is probably gonna be making the camera follow this. That's a guess, though. All right. Time. Whoops. All right. Time to learn. All righty. I'm back. I took about like an hour break and I just came back and I didn't learn anything new yet. I just had a funny idea. I'm going to put the mass of the tank 1 And then the mass of the super amazing, totally cool barrier. That much. And just sort of see what happens. Oh god, what the hell? What? I was not expecting that to happen. Can we put this mass to 0? Hold on, this is oh oh there it goes again. I have no idea why it does that. All right, let's try fuel tank. Go mass 1,000,000. That's a million, right? Three. Yep, 1,000,000. And this thing's mass almost a million. We're gonna put this thing's mass at 50,000. Wait, I think that was. I just want to see. No, I want to see it fall faster. I assume the higher the mass, the more it falls. All right, we're gonna pause this. We're gonna play it, but pause it. And we're gonna put it up. We're also gonna give it like as much mass as it lets us, and then play. All right. I messed up right there a little bit. Wait, shit, no. All right, hold on. Pause it and then play it. Okay. Put that up there. Unpause it. All right, so that didn't work at all. That's fine. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Mass 15. Fuel tank 1,000. Make sure it works. Yep, that works enough for me. And okay, now back to learning. Alrighty. Okay, so now we have to duplicate this obstacle. So my obstacle is already at the bottom. Okay. So we are going to want to press Control D when we are already clicked on the obstacle. Now we got this. Now we can move it because it has duplicated the obstacle. This is at 15, so let's get this one to about 30. Let's see if we can get it on 30 perfectly. I don't think I'll be able to. Know what? I'm just gonna type 30. I want it to be the perfect increments. Why? I have absolutely no idea. Because I don't think it really matters. All right. Now I'm going to make sure that I have this recording. Yes, I do. Now I can hit Control and click on this and keep holding Control and click on that one. And bam. Got them both selected. Press Control D. Boom. Duplicated them. I don't really know why I put the 2 over here. I'm just going to go ahead and move that right there. Then I can go ahead and move these to about wherever they would go. So I'm just going to individually select. Oh, that was almost perfect. 45 and 60. That was almost perfect. All right, now stop adjusting the camera speed. I want to go up. So hand tool, press Q. The hand tool is the wrong tool. Alt, yes, Alt. Press Alt. Now, I think I have the road selected or something. All right. A little hard to see them. I picked tiny things. Now, if I press shift while I click that, press shift all the way down here, it'll select all of them. All right, then control D again. I am not fixing the order of all of those. Put these. That looks about right to me. 60 with this one, so that'll be 75. Stop it. That'll be 75. I am so good at this. 75, that's 90. That one's 105. 202. I'm gonna add the zero, don't worry. I know you were very worried. Right. Now, you know what? I am gonna drag these to the bottom because of it'll look better. So I think I just need 4 more. So let's hold control and whoops. Control is the wrong button. Hold shift. Hold shift. Go. Control V. Eyeball it again. See if we can get it good. All right. What was this one? That one was 120. So this one will be. I was close. 135. We- Well, that's 50. 165. 65. 190 or 80. 180. There we go. Now it should just steamroll through all of them. Stop changing the name. I am going to go ahead and fix this right here. 6, right? 10 would go down here, and 7 would go before the 8. There we go. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and press play. Also, probably going to move the camera in just a bit. Yep. It just steamrolls right through everything. Awesome. And then it dies. Bye bye. Let's go ahead. It's F, so we back a bit. And that's not really where I want the camera, but you know, it's fine. I group these. It find. Blah, blah, blah. I assume I can, but whatever. At the moment. Well, that's all for now. Maybe next time we will add the controls. Alrighty. Now we are changing, or no, we are making it possible to change the speed of the car within Unity itself. So I don't have to go in here and change these numbers to change the speed or anything. I'm going to make it to where we can change it in Unity. So we're going to hit enter. And then we are going to type something. We're going to type float. And there's supposed to be a special character. Can't remember. Think. Let me think with my eyes. Okay. Float speed. Speed. What is that? Equals 1. Oh, that is not what we want, but it is close. All right, so I don't know why it completed it for me, but we were going to put an equal and 5.0, which is the speed. We need that F so that it knows it is a float. And this just ends the like code thing. All right. So we are going to need to change this so that now we are multiplying time dot delta time by speed. So whatever this speed is what our speed will be. And we also need to put this to public so that now if I press Control S, go back to Unity, wait for it to load, go to my Q tank, and boom, look, right there. Speed. All right, now if I back this camera up, it's going to go a lot slower because it's speed now, but that's fine. Press play. Wish it wasn't like highlighting the truck. Whatever, that's fine. All right. And I can also, if I click and drag this, I can speed it up or I can make it go backwards. I can make it, oh, I'm going to make it off the edge. Jesus Christ. I think I made it. I think I launched it. All right, hold on. What the heck? Where are you going, buddy? All right. F again to bring my camera back. All right. Here go. To drag ourselves. Why is it being so slow? All right. Crap, I just pressed. What did I press? Oh, I pressed 2. Oh, I guess that makes it go into 2D if you press 2. At least that'll make it go away. No. Okay, that's fine. Now we're gonna just see what happens. I wanna see what. All right, down a bit. We got time. That thing moves slow. All right, now we're gonna pick its speed up a lot. Put it back. Pick it up. Put it back. Oh, it just stops obeying gravity. Goodbye. Have a wonderful time. Jesus, you see that? It just shot past. Let's see. I hit F and it teleports me to it, but it's just instantly gone. What the heck? That was kind of weird. All right, well, loading image. Recommended that you bring the world coordinates of the gameplay object. It's going too far. All right, well, that was all we needed to do this time. So, gonna send it off one more time and. Oh no. All right. Time to learn. Yeah, whoops. Time to learn. Nope. Nope. Time to learn. Alrighty. I already know for a fact that I'm going to need to look back at what I need to type, but we're going to have to create a new script, right click, go to create, C# script, and we are going to name it follow, whoops, player, I'm pretty sure, with capital F and capital P. Then we're going to stop typing in it. Then we're going to drag it to the. I did not put that there. Get that out of the tank. Whoops. Don't put it into the tank. Where are you? Player controller. Where's follow player? Is it in one of these? Where did it go? Can I just undo that? Yeah, let's just go ahead and press undo bunch until this disappears. Okay, nope, that's starting to adjust stuff we don't want it to adjust. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so we can assume it didn't adjust anything. We're going to assume it didn't adjust anything. So we need to take follow player, drag that to main camera. Did not work. Why did it not? We are going to take follow player and then we are going to delete it. And then we are going to delete. And we are going to create a C# script. Name it follow player. And we are going to let it load. We're going to give it to the main camera. Let it stutter. I don't try to give it to the main camera again. Did I give it to the main camera? I gave it to. Let's get rid of that one. Reset? No. Properties? No. Right click, move up, move down, find reference, edit script. I want to delete. Oh. No, I also didn't mean to do that. Let me press edit script. Okay, so they're both open. Good. Don't need two in here. How do you get rid of one? Don't open that. I don't know what that is, so don't open it. Move component. Shit. What did I just remove? Okay. All right, there we go. Okay, now it's time to go here. Make sure I'm recording, just because I keep forgetting if I pressed it. All right, now I have completely forgotten what I was supposed to type. See if I can remember. Feel like it has the word follow in it. I don't know. Let's check. It does not. We have to put public. Am I supposed to? I'm going to go ahead and put another enter because the dude told me that empty space does not matter. It's okay if that's there because the computer knows that there's nothing there. Okay, I know what I have to type, but do I have to type? Okay, no. Didn't know if I had to put a um like period or equal sign or something. Object. Yeah, that's in the void. I had to make sure I was in the void. In the update. Yeah, okay. Oh, I didn't even put that. Have to accept. Yep. Update. Was it? That's how you spelled. Uh. Yep, that. Transform dot position equals player dot transform dot position. Well, that's nice. That's very nice. All right. S. We'll go ahead and go to Unity, and then something's wrong. Something's not right. Let's see if I can go ahead and spot it. Object. Is it possibly this? I think it is possibly. Whoops, wrong one. Game object. That's what it looks like from here. Game object. Save that, even though it doesn't need to be saved. All right, let's see. Is that going to go away down here? Let's see. It did. I'm so smart. All right, we're going to go ahead and bring this up so you can look at it. And it should sort of teleport into the floor. Yeah, assign. Did something wrong. Player. Public. What did I do wrong? The public game object player. Public game object player. Public game object player. Transform dot position. Player dot transform dot position. Transform dot position equals player dot transform dot position. Well. All player. Update. Test. Huh. I guess I'm gonna have to rewatch the video. Let's go ahead and try it one more time. Guess I'm gonna have to watch. Oh, I just realized what it is. Right here. The guy told me to not forget. Down here in the inspector, I did not assign it anything to follow. I have to drag Cool Tank into here. And now, stop that. And now, if I press this, it should, yep, it is, it is supposed to look like that, by the way. That is what it's supposed to look like. All right, go. All right, well, now I think it's time to figure out how to position it. What did I just do to my recording? Okay, let's do that. Let's hope that works. Transform fit to screen. Hope that fixed the recording. All right. Alrighty. This one is another short thing to do. I just need to add or plus vec. I want to spell this right. It's a capital vector 3. I think I need to have a space between that and that. Is this supposed to be a different color? No, it is not, because it's not a different color in that one. Okay, vector 3 and parentheses. And now I need to go to Unity to figure out what position my camera's in. All right, where is my camera? Well, I wish I would have put my camera in fully positive numbers. Well, that's fine. I'll just copy that. Hopefully, well, let's go 0. Oopsie doopsies. I put an O instead of 0. 0, comma 7.8 4, Control C, comma. Well, I really hope that the decimals do not mess with code itself. W, does that do anything in this? I don't. I really. So, follow player on vector 3 cannot be used like a method. Did I mess up? I forgot to add the word new. New. Dang it. I'm remembering more now. Not convert from a double to a float. Oh, I bet it's because I have 2 decimal points. Hold on. What if I just went 8.4 S item saved? 3. No, it doesn't work. Let me see what happens when I press play. Nope, can't enter play mode. So yeah, okay, let's go 8 and -10. All right. You can't do that unless you want to do some fancy coding. All right, come on. Yep. All right, let's see. It's going to move the camera down here. I should have enlarged this a bit. All right. Move this up a bit. All right. So the camera itself is at a good position, but I would like to change it. Okay. So 8 and -10. So I'm going to go ahead and put these to 8, -10, so that I can see. Go to -11. Yeah, like that. Okay, that's better. So we're just going to go -11. Control S. Wait for it to finish loading. Play. C. Yep. Bam. Still funny just how slow this tank is moving. I could speed it up, but it's funny. All right. Well, I don't really know what's next in the learning, but time to learn some more. Hello. I forgot that I was supposed to. That is not what I want. I was supposed to. That is the. I was supposed to put a little note in here saying what this does. What does it do? It offsets and player. It offsets the player view. Is that not how you spell view? Why is it highlighted? I don't think it is how you spell view. I am dumb. Maybe. I don't know. Both look wrong. Whatever. Offsets the player view. I have no idea what I'm trying to put here. I don't know. Slight. My. Gar. Cool. All right. Now back to learning. Alrighty. This one going back up here. Hit enter. Making a private one this time. Apparently, I don't know how to spell. Private. Vec. And it needs to be capitalized. Capitalize what needs to be capitalized. vector 3 off offset. What am I supposed? Am I supposed? I don't think it's supposed to be that. No, not that yet. Then set. We have to steal this. Just press Control X. Actually, don't mind that. Just press Control X. Right here, Control V. Right here, plus offset. Then save it. And that is OBS. And as long as it works, syntax error. Script error, syntax error. What did I do wrong? Field position plus offset. Was I supposed to put something equals new? Yep. Oh, I could have found that out myself. Didn't, but I bet I could have. Alrighty. Now it should work. Done. Yep. And when I play it, nothing should have changed. Yep, nothing changed. Good. That's what we wanted. It is. It's actually what we wanted. Doing this was because having hard locked numbers is a bad thing. The guy in the video didn't explain why, but you can sort of just think having it's a bad thing. Yeah. Alrighty. So this one's a real quick and easy one. We're just gonna look at the camera right here. And if you look at it once it's done loading, you can see that it kind of stutters a bit when the tank is moving. So we're going to go ahead and pause that or reset that. And then right here where the update is being called, all we have to do is type late to make it a late update. And then save it. Yep, I think I already did save it. And then once it's done, go ahead and look, and it should go a lot smoother. Yep. Now you can't even tell. Now it's just really smooth. All right, we're going to go ahead and move this back down. Press that, and, well, that was that one. Alrighty. This time, we are doing something that has nothing to do with the camera at all. Yep. All right. I'm going to go ahead and push this down a little bit more. All right. So we are adding a tint because when you press play, it does a tint across your screen. And we're just going to add a different tint because we can. Yeah, that's about it. All right, we're going to preferences. Don't know why it went down there. Then the colors. Uh, Play mode tint. That's what we're looking for. All right, we're going to go ahead and I accidentally drop her. Then we're going to go to color. And I actually saved, or I didn't save. I actually liked the colors that this guy was using in the tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and steal his colors. So 157. I'm going to, all right, 192 or 194, 239, 94, 294, 29, 50. And I liked that. Now we can go ahead and close that. And when I click play, now it puts a blue tint. It's obviously different than the one that guy in the video had because I'm in dark mode, but I like that. Now I can tell play mode so I won't accidentally change values when I'm not in play mode or try and change them while I am in play. Go. Alrighty. Okay, so now we need to go to player controls and add another hub click thingy majingy. Going to be another float 2. This is going to be turn speed. We need to have a capital S for reasons. I don't need to explain myself to you. I'll, and then why did I go back to Unity? That was the wrong thing. All right. Was I supposed to put equals turn speed? Nope. All right. That was it. All right. Do I have to press shift to get that? No. Why do I have to? And we are going to add another one under here. I really don't know how to spell that. Dot. Don't put a space. And late. Why don't you spell it all out for me this time? Thingy. Capitalize it. Get it right eventually, one of these times. Dot. Okay. It's to the right. Do I just put right? I can't remember. Do I put turn right or right? I'm just gonna put let's make sure. Yeah, it's dot right. Okay. And that isn't space times time dot delta time and space. And what is this? Turn turn speed. All right, and that should work. Issues found. Good. Now we go back into here. Let's see. Did it even? It did not work. Okay. Public float turn speed. Public float turn speed. Something's not right. Transform, translate. Vector 3, right, time, delta, time, turn speed. Something's not right. Did I not save it? I'm like 90% sure I saved it. Or maybe I didn't. But also now it's not working now. Does you see that little error right there? That means something's wrong. I don't think I've ever messed with the code without something going wrong. Alright. What's wrong? Okay, let's enlarge this. Public float. Did I capitalize one of these letters? No. Was I supposed to capitalize turn speed? No. Except for the S in turn speed, which I did capitalize. I see what's wrong. Can you see what's wrong? That shit. That's what's wrong. I didn't end the code. Alrighty. Well, now this little error should go away. Oh, it literally said expected, and then it showed the little. I just didn't. All right. Now, yep. Now we got a turn speed. Now, if we play it, it does nothing, which is what it's supposed to do, because it is multiplying the turn speed by 0. We are going to increase it, and look at that. We can turn. Ooh, oh, I messed it up already. What the heck is going on? All right. Okay. So I don't think you were supposed to fall off. But yeah, that's how it works. Go ahead and turn the speed up once I press play. Whoopsies. Turn the speed. Turn the turn the friggin' speed up to like I don't know 15. Now we can turn. Dodge these. Ah, oh, I messed up again. Ah, quickly to the skies. All right. Well, that's the turning. For now, obviously that's not it because I'm not using any keyboard inputs to turn it, but that's yeah. Alrighty. So this one was kind of a lot, just a bit. But the first thing we're gonna do, look at something that Unity has. I forgot which one of these settings it's in, so I'm gonna look real quick. Like edit and project settings. Okay. Edit. Here's project settings. I don't know. At the bottom, project settings. Pull that up. And input manager, I'm assuming. Axis. Yep. Vertical and horizontal is what we need. Horizontal at the moment. And look, Unity already has special thingies that make your life easier where you put in certain code and it'll already know like, oh, you press A to turn left and you press D to turn right. I just thing off my desk, that's fine. Alrighty, so time to type the code. That is the wrong thing. So we are going to start off with doing another public float. This one is horizontal input, I am pretty sure. Horizontal. I don't think that's how you spell horizontal. Control Alt Enter or Control plus show Alt Enter. Horizontal. Okay, I'm just gonna because I don't know how to spell, I'm just going to steal the word horizontal from here. That wasn't the whole word. Horizontal. Control C. Control V. There we go. Horizontal. Capital I. But also, I realized the reason why you capitalize is because like can't put spaces in the middle of your code, like in the middle of the word, or it changes it. So you capitalize the letters. That's why. Put one of these things down here. Hit enter again, and then whoops, didn't mean to do that. And we are going to go. Oh wait, no, I think we actually needed it. Yeah, we needed not this. We need it up here. We need horizontal input. What was it? Was it equals? I can't remember. Let me look. Horizontal input equals input. Well, do I need a space between the equal sign? Yeah, whoops. Whoa. Put space. Nope. Where's it here? Pretty sure it's space. Get axis on. Do both the G and the A need to be capitalized? Yes. Oh, and I was wrong. You do need a period. Space. My bad. I apologize. Absolutely no one. Yep, horizontal input. And I'm pretty sure we need to times this by horizontal input. Alrighty, that is the wrong one. That is still the wrong one. There we go. Now I'm going to make sure that this is recording. Alrighty. Now, we forgot to save it. Control S. Now we saved it. Now, did we break it? We did. Context. We're going to go ahead and close that because we don't need that. Where is the word input on its own? Input. Does that fix it? Did I just forget to capitalize it? I would like to feel smart. Shit. Okay. All right. Okay, let's guess we're checking again. It is capital. What did I wait, what is wrong with it then? I yeah, this needs to be capitalized, but argument 1 cannot convert from float to string. I am a little confused. Public float horizontal input. Public float horizontal input. Okay. Horizontal input equals input dot get access horizontal input. Horizontal input equals input plus get access. Oh, whoopsies. Whoopsie doopsies. I took what it said, what it auto completed, and just assumed that that would be correct without actually checking. That is my fault. My oversight. Who else's fault would it be? I'm literally the only one here. Now let's go ahead and make this bigger. Press play. And see, press A and it doesn't work. Press D and it doesn't work. Press the arrow keys and it still doesn't work. Let's go. It's not working. You can see if you look up in here. Oh, I know it's not working. It is multiplying by a 0, turn speed of 0, and you know what happens when you multiply by 0, you get a 0. So obviously that's not gonna work. Alrighty, let's try that again. A. Can't tell if it's moving. I don't think it is. I don't think A and D work. Right, yep, the arrow keys work. Okay, so A and D don't work. I don't know why they don't work, but the A and D don't work, but the arrow keys, they indeed do work. All right. We're gonna stop that. All right, we're gonna ramp this speed up just a bit. Actually, we're just gonna go ahead and do that in this. I ramp that speed up all the way to 20. Now we can control this thing. No, we can't. Now it won't let me control it. What? It's because I was in the thing. No. No. Ah, it doesn't matter. That's fine. All right, so we do indeed have turning working. It's not working for the W and D keys, but I don't really know if there's anything I can do to change that. Like that's kind of not in my zone of knowledge. And I want to see if I tip the car, can I send it to Jesus? No. Alrighty. All right, well, time to whoopsies. Time to learn more. Actually, after looking at the time and realizing how late it is, I think that I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I yet again did not reach the 5 hour mark, and I am starting to realize just how long 5 hours actually is. So, well, that's the end for this. We got turning working, the camera working. Say it's pretty good progress. See ya.